like Willy Wonka.
Did it again.
The Riley family is on Phillip Island. What?
Here we are.
So we just crossed island to island.
Yep, we did. We're on an island. So
Home of the scallop pie.
We go
there's
straight?
the Ingenia that was on the beach there. Yeah.
Are we gonna so what's ours? That was staying at that park, Mum.
Wow, darling. Anchor Bell.
Anchor Bell. Chocolate factory.
Chocolate factory?
Chocolate factory.
What?
Chocolate factory. We gotta go.
Oh.
I gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go. Oh, look how big that is.
What?
Chocolate.
Amazing world of chocolate. Oh, we should go there.
We are.
Anchor Bell Holiday Park is where we stayed on our visit to Phillip Island. The place is everything you need, or should I say, everything the kids need. And it's one of the closest parks to the Penguin Parade. I would highly recommend it if you're looking for somewhere on Phillip Island.
I just jumped in. First I'd feel it just in case. Mommy!
Daddy farted.
It's cold.
Ew!
Oh, Dad, that's...
Yeah. I was leaning over. And the seatbelt was caught on me and I have to press them buttons and then I just let one rip.
Oh, that's...
It was like silent but violent.
It was me!
I got a pizza oven on your right.
Oh.
Ew!
I see your mum.
We're not going to fit in there, are we?
I can see her.
Go this way.
Proceed to the route.
No, it's alright.
I see that bones.
Nice little park.
You need the keys? Yeah,
Okay.
take the keys.
Van keys.
Their van keys are on it, darling. Yep, Phillip Island. This is our camp for the next 3 days. And it's going to be action-packed. Are you excited, Kai?
Yeah, tonight.
What are we seeing tonight?
See the penguins.
Woohoo!
Don't worry, you won't miss out.
Ah,
You'll see the video.
you're not allowed to use like a camera at the penguins.
Oh,
Yep, no cameras at the penguins, but that's all right.
I take that back.
You
but
take it back. They're
Yeah.
gonna miss out.
We'll put photos on.
Yeah, we'll sneak something.
No, you're not.
2 hours later.
Wait, can I say all? Say day. All.
Day,
All.
day.
When I say B, you say K.
When I say where are we going, you say
Chinese.
after that,
Penguin!
penguins!
When I say where
What are we getting at Chinese?
When I Bobo, Singapore noodle and honey chicken.
Ooh!
Then you say.
Can we ever be different? Can we ever be different? Nah, same Chinese meals, just a different town. Phillip Island, look out. What's this place called?
Wong Ho.
Wong Ho's? Oh. What did the Chinese pimp say to the police officer? Oh no, don't arrest her. That's the Wong Ho. Crickets? Okay.
Funny.
Alright. Get it? Wong Ho? Nah, okay.
Yeah, what's it along here?
Not even racist. That's not racist. It's up here. There it is. Oh no, it's Wing Ho. Are we going Wing Ho or
Yeah,
Wong
wing
Ho?
ho, wing ho, wing ho.
Wing
There
ho.
or there, hurry up.
Let's go. Wing Ho. You know we're going to order the same stuff, so let's just quickly order. Here we go.
If you visit Phillip Island and you like good Chinese food, then check out Wing Ho. We can vouch for this place. It was a
succulent Chinese meal. Succulent Chinese meal.
Smile, guys.
Smile. Woohoo! Oh, welcome to the Penguin Parade. Let's go. Wow, look at the Penguin Center. Jeez, it's massive. Cara, you look like a penguin. You look like a penguin. Put your
penguin in your dog.
Oh. Oh, they're pretty cute, eh?
Yeah.
Is that how big they are? So Kristen was talking to one of the workers and they gave us a little hot tip. You want to sit on the outsides where the vegetation is, because that's where the penguins are going to be coming up to. They're going to be heading to the vegetation to get into their burrows. And she gave us another little hot tip. Bring a blanket, and sometimes you're allowed to sit on the beach and get a really good view of the penguins right down on the beach with them. But it does get wet, so we've got the old picnic blanket, the old waterproof ones. We're giving that a go. Let's go check it out. That's the stretch. They're gonna do their little waddle up. We're waiting how many hours? 4 hours. Nah, we've been waiting half an hour. How long will it be, Belly?
2 hours.
2 hours? No, I hope not. Ah, we're excited. 2 hours later. Get your eyes off that TV, mate. Finish your schoolwork. How are you doing, darling? Good?
Come on, finish your schoolwork, and then what are we going to go do?
Woo-hoo! Well, if you get all your schoolwork done,
What are we doing? Chocolate.
chocolate factory. Whew. Last night we had the Penguin Parade. It's pretty bloody awesome. It's an experience, I'll tell you. We didn't get any footage. They don't want your camera in them, which is it's a shame, but it's for the little fellas. But yeah, it's an experience. You got to check it out. Now we're just having some brekkie. How's that? Bacon egg sanger. You can't beat a bacon egg sanger for brekkie. And then chocolate factory. Let's do it.
Chocolate ice cream.
there's white chocolate. You see Mr. Bishy? Yeah. How good was that, Cara?
Good.
Really good?
Yeah.
That's a must-see. I can't believe how cool that place was.
Really
That
good.
was
That
awesome.
Really the best place we've been to.
Best chocolate factory.
We've
Wow.
done it really well.
Yeah, really well.
That's a yummy. I love these.
Oh, you love them, do ya?
Yeah.
You love them?
Dad said 3 nights was nowhere near enough time on Phillip Island. We could have stayed here for weeks. There is so much to see and do. There's amazing beaches to surf or fish. There's wildlife to check out all over the island, so the penguins. There's the Chocky factory. There's bloody more than you can poke a stick at. But the last one we want to share with you is the forest caves. And guess what? It won't even cost you a cent. If you're doing a big lap or just looking for somewhere to holiday, don't go past Phillip Island. You'll be kicking yourself. Enjoy.
There's a big drop down there.